Ma, who do you like more? Me or your dad? I like the both of you. Okay, if I go to America and your daddy go to Paris, where will you go to? I'll go to Paris. That means you like your daddy more. No, I just like Paris. What if I go to Paris and your daddy go to America? Where will you go to? I'll go to America. Why? Because I've already been to Paris.
Where are you from? Africa? Oh, so you used to chase lions and tigers. And we used to catch them too. Fun fact, that's why we all run so fast.
Put a finger down, Habesha edition. Put a finger down if you're born in Ethiopia or Eritrea. Put a finger down if you can speak and or understand your native language. Put a finger down if you have a 5 head. Put a finger down if you know how to make injera from scratch. Put a finger down if you know how to make buna the traditional way. Put a finger down if your name is Betty or Nati. Put a finger down if people can't pronounce your name. Put a finger down if you went to school smelling like Shinkurt. Put a finger down if you run long distance or play soccer. And put a finger down if you ever broke a Jevana.
Tell them Jesus is real. Yes, he is my savior. For now and forever, he makes my life greater. Tell them he's a healer. He is my salvation.
Without communication, there's no relationship. Without respect, there's no love. And without trust, there's no reason to continue.
My beauty is not my skin, nor my face, nor my color, nor my dressing, nor my makeup. It's my heart, which most of you can't understand.
Mommy! Yes? Please bring water for me to drink. Come and take it yourself. Mommy, please now. If you repeat it again, I will slap your face. Okay. When you come to slap me, please bring the water.
Have you ever thought about killing me?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Sure.
How would you do it?
Wood chipper.
A wood chipper?
Yeah.
A wood chipper?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know. Did you see Fargo?
Yeah?
Shame! Ma, tell me 5 dangerous animals that lives on water. Crocodile. Yes. Crocodile mother. Crocodile daddy. Crocodile son. Crocodile uncle. And crocodile sister. Mommy, I've even given you 6.
Hey, guess what? You're ugly. What do you mean? Like, you're ugly. Where? Where exactly? Like, your face and stuff. It's ugly. Oh, thank goodness. Why thank goodness? Because at least I'm not ugly on the inside. You cannot cover that with makeup. Like, not even with a full coverage concealer, sweetheart.
I say you talk fast. Please talk small. Huh? Me no understanding fast. Hey? No sure.
Honey, I don't have an attitude. I just have a personality you can't handle.
So where are you from? Oh, I'm from Washington. Oh my god, like Washington, D.C.? Have you met the president? No, I'm from Washington State. Oh, so you live in Seattle. You know what? Yeah, I live in Seattle.
Never blame anyone in life. The good people give you happiness. The worst people give you a lesson. And the best people give you memories.
Hey, yo, babe. People are talking about you. They're saying you don't know English.
Who speaks those says? Who speaks those says? Can we go? I want to confrontation them.
All right, everybody. It's a beautiful hair challenge. Let your hair down in 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Shame! Ma, I am the most important thing you need in your life. But you cannot see me or touch me. What am I? Internet.